Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. So students, today we are going to complete the Maths Lab laboratory manual which already are given to everyone. In this manual, students, this manual consists the so many parts. So first of all, we'll open it. Take you also open it. Okay, so you have to write your name, class, and your section, roll number, school, all the things. Okay, don't write your name on this certificate. You have to write at last of the completion. When you will complete the lab manual, that time you have to write. Don't write anything. Don't write anything here. This for your understanding concept. Read this all page. After that, this page also. Okay, the properties and the things are given, definitions are given. Okay, so in the first activity, students, the first part, see, this lab manual is divided into so many parts. The first part is from activity number 1 to activity number 15. These are total 15 activities, and that we are going to complete in the whole year. Okay, I already said try to complete at least half of the activities as it is in your lab manual. So okay, next is group activities. These group activities we will not going to conduct because you are not in the group now. Project 1, project 2 will later on we will do it. Okay, or you can try also in the off period. If read this all procedure and then all, try to think, and it is for your creative thinking. Okay, so suggested project, that also you can think on it. If it has to be conducted, I will tell you for the subject enrichment or afterwards. Fun time is also it's creatively, you have to understand the logics and that. Okay, so this all here answers also given up there. Okay, so these are the fun part. In afterwards, there are this review concepts. Okay, review, assignment, and quick revision questions. After this first part completion, this activity we have to complete, and the second part, there are some questions is given for you. Okay, as per the chapter number 1, this is the basic concepts revisions. Okay, in this first part on page number 37, it is, though it is not visible, you can open and see in your lab manual. The first part which it is for your study purpose, it is study material, we can say that. Okay, and after that study material, it is for extra questions that you can solve in your extra practice, for extra practice assignments. Okay, this is for quick questions, and their answer also is given after the every. So like this, from chapter number 1 to chapter number 14, this all chapters questions bank is given here for your extra practice. So though it is lockdown period, so it is for basic practice, it is too much, so you need to complete this. Okay, and after this completion of the practice questions segment, you have index. On this index, from this index we had to write the all activities here total 40 pages are there, and we have activity only 15. So you can use two pages for one activity, you can use also if it is incomplete, if your writing is so big. Okay, so what you have to write? Activity number 1, heading has to given here number 1, activity number 1, and the date when you will write. Okay, and the page number which you have to mention here. Okay, and what page number you will mention here? This page number is 65, here is 66, and then 67, 68. You can start from your 68, or as your common sense you can apply. So activity number 1 has to write as it is, from activity number 1 to activity number 15. This all 15 activities you have to write down in the Diwali vacation, because now it is already half of the activity I already said to write, but those students are not written, they have to write this complete 15 activities. Okay, and whenever will activity our chapter will over, whenever our chapter will get over, that time you have to complete. If it is suppose incomplete work is given, suppose some fill in the blanks is given in this observation, so that you can write as per the activities you. Okay, if otherwise later on after Diwali I will tell you the answers of that each activities, but before that, each activities with the diagram as it is has to return on these 40 pages. There are total 40 pages and here I have taken only 15. So understand. Now how to write the activity number 1. Okay, you have to write the number 1, activity number 1 and date. Here is also activity number 1 heading. Here you can write first part is what, these two lines has to be written as it is here. Then objective point is given, so write objective. You can use blue black pen also. Next is this previous knowledge, so that also you have to write. Material required, write as it is. Procedure, write as it is. After procedure the diagram is given, so the diagram is no need to do it here. Diagram you have to prepare, construct a diagram here. Okay, and you, how it is color are used here, you can use the crayons or color pen, sketch pen also. Okay, to represent it. How the diagram names are given, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. In the same way you have to write figure number here also. After that this observation procedure has to written. Now there is no space, I have no space to write here. You can use your second page, you can continue the first activity on second page also. If you need third page you can utilize third page. If it is incomplete, if at last if it is no space, you can add the extra pages to activity. So in the same way you have to complete first activity, then activity number 2 write down as it is. Okay, this, for that you can use the square grid paper, use common sense. Okay, still already we know that how to make the divisibility of 6. Okay, these activities are small easy activities. Write as it is. If you don't understand anything, it's okay, you can contact me, but write as it is activity as given there. Whenever the chapter will complete, that time we'll understand it. Okay, so but now it is Diwali vacation time, so utilize the time as you. Okay, so don't waste the time. I hope you'll complete the all activities. Okay, try to complete more and more activities. Those students will complete the all activities, they will get the good marks in the lab activities. Okay, so this having the at last some marks. So whenever you will complete these activities has to complete in the complete year. Okay, so half of the year we already spent, so half of the year is remaining. Okay, as it is you write the all activities. Whenever these charts are given, I will tell you the each charts after answers when you will complete the chapters. Okay, so chapter number, activity number 1, there is no such observations in that all, as it is you have to do it. What is the first activity? It is the understand the addition and multiplication of commutative. Okay, here is the strip of 3 and 3 and 4 and 4. So 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3, their answer is what, 7. So 3 plus 4 and first 4 plus 3. Red color, first number is 3, second is 4, first is 4, third is, second is third 3. So they are all already 7. So if you add an interchange order, answer is coming same, that we prove here. Okay, because both strips are equal. In the here the 3 3 4 strips and 4 4 3 strips has to prepare, and that has to be pasted one below one, and the whatever the rectangle it shape is forming, that they both are exactly same. So hence we also proved that 3 multiply 4 and 4 multiply 3 both are same. So that's only the thing, nothing. Conclusion, it is verified that addition as well as multiplication commutative for the whole numbers. Okay, so as it is you had to write, because the both areas they are equal. Yes or no? As I said, ABCD and PQRS total number of boxes 16, 16 both sides, and here is also 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3 all 7 boxes which are used. So in this way first activity has to write there as it is. In the second activity, what is given, prime number has to be find. Already we completed the 6th standard also, you use this sieves method. Okay, 1 you have to leave 1, 2 circle and cut the all multiples of 2, then circle the 3 and multiples of 3 cut, circle 5 multiples of 5, cut. In the same way, after completing 7 circle, cut the all multiples of 7. When you complete this process, all variables will get cut. Only this, whatever the circle part, they all are the prime numbers. They are called as prime numbers, and whatever the cutted part, they are called as composite numbers. This is your activity number second. What is your observation? In circle, numbers are, first answer is prime. Crossed numbers are composite. One is neither prime or nor composite, nor a composite number. Third answer is composite. Fourth is smallest prime number is 2. Total number of prime numbers in one, between the 1 to hundreds are 25. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Total are 25. Okay, so in the same way, second activity is also be completed. Third activity is based on the rule of divisibility, that already we completed. How it is? Write as it is the information. And what is the divisibility rule? Familiar with that multiplication, multiplies of 2 and 3 and 6 up to 100. Familiar with the all, these all concepts we know. And what to do in that? Cross the all multiples of 2 and with the oranges. Okay, the 2 all will cut the multiples of 2. After that, circle the all multiples of 3. Okay, and then whatever the number which get cross also and circled also, they all are the nothing but they all are the divisible by 6. Okay, so number which are the 6 12 18 21 whom we take, they all are the divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore these are the divisible. This is, hence we proved that. Okay, observation, what do you notice? We notice that multiples of 6 are common multiples 2 and 3. Okay, therefore are all multiples of 6 are colored by orange? All multiples of, yes, all 6 multiples of 6 is current colored by oranges, na? All the multiples 6 are colored by red. It is red colored by red. Yes, means all multiples of 6 are colored by orange also and red also. Okay, are they all multiples of 6 common multiples 2 and 3? Yes. So that question answer has to be understood as per the commons. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, so in this way we will write this observations answer in the that line page. So in that way, third activity need to complete, and this is your fraction on the chapter of fraction, activity number 4. How to do it? 3 upon 4 multiply 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. So their product has to do it in this way. Okay, so I hope you do it. Till question activity number 4 we already completed the topics, this all. Okay, only we have to do it by activity base. Okay, 1 upon 10 multiply 1 upon 10, its answer will come how? That's 1 upon 1, and 10 tens are 100. Okay, 2 ones are 2 and 3 threes are 9. Okay, 1 ones are 1 and 2 fives are 10. Okay, in this way we have to write the answers here. Okay, so try to do it, complete the all. Use this for that the square grid paper if you have. Okay, and if it is difficult to draw the diagram for you, then you can take the printouts also. If it is possible, take printouts and cut and paste it. Okay, those it is difficult to draw, but it is, you are not smaller ones, it is easy to draw it. Okay, or you can use the tracing paper also to trace the diagram. Do you know the tracing papers which is used for bake the cake, the layer? Okay, otherwise it is between the covered with the sari also, or it is called as butter paper also. You can use that tracing paper to trace the diagram which is difficult, but there is no difficult diagrams given here. This is you can make by your own hands spam also, your diagram also you can construct. Okay, so all the best, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye. If any doubt, any queries, you can contact to Dinesh sir.